Could you live on just $900 a month? For most people, that sounds impossible. Rent alone can cost more than that. But across the world, a growing number of people are not just surviving, but thriving on ultra-low budgets. They are not just cutting costs out of necessity. They are choosing a lifestyle of extreme frugality to gain freedom, reduce stress, and live life on their own terms. Meet Lisa, a 32-year-old woman who lives comfortably on only $900 a month. She shares a small apartment, cooks all her meals at home, and rarely spends money on new things. But she doesn't feel poor. Instead, she feels rich in time because she doesn't have to work a stressful full-time job. She spends her days hiking, reading, and enjoying life in ways that don't cost a dime. This is the new face of frugality, a life where spending less doesn't mean suffering. It means learning smarter ways to live. So, how do people like Lisa do it? What are their secrets? And could you, too, live well on a tiny budget? In this video, we explore the mindset, strategies, and real-life tricks behind extreme frugality and why it might be the key to a happier life. Number 1. The mindset of ultra-frugality. Rewiring your brain. Spending less is not just about cutting costs. It's about changing the way you think about money. Most people believe that happiness comes from having more money, more things, more comfort. But extreme frugality proves that less can actually bring more freedom, peace, and happiness. There are two types of frugal people: survival frugalists, those who are forced to live on a small budget due to financial struggles; strategic frugalists, those who choose to spend less to gain control over their lives. Strategic frugalists see money as a tool, not a trap. They don't feel deprived because they focus on what truly matters: health, relationships, and time. Research shows that people who practice voluntary simplicity often feel less stressed and more satisfied with life. They learn to enjoy life's simple pleasures, like a walk in nature or a home-cooked meal, instead of expensive entertainment and shopping. Extreme frugality is about training your brain to see value differently. It's about asking, do I really need this? Will this purchase make my life better or just busier? When you shift your mindset, spending less doesn't feel like a sacrifice. It feels like freedom. Number 2. Housing hacks. Living for almost free. Rent is usually the biggest expense. But what if you could live for free or nearly free? Many people practicing extreme frugality have found creative ways to cut their housing costs to almost nothing. Here's how they do it. House hacking. Live for free while renting out space. Rent a 2-bedroom apartment and get a roommate to split the cost. If you own a home, rent out extra rooms to cover your mortgage. Live in a shared house or co-living space where rent is much cheaper. Nomadic frugality, living without a traditional home. Some people live in vans, RVs, or tiny homes to save money. Others use work trade programs like WWOF, Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms, where they work on farms in exchange for free housing and food. Traveling professionals, like pet sitters or house sitters, live in other people's homes for free while taking care of their pets or property. Renting smart and cheap. Look for off-season rentals, places that are cheap during certain times of the year. Move to a lower-cost area or a city with low housing costs. Negotiate rent. Landlords sometimes give discounts for longer lease agreements or upfront payments. By thinking outside the box, you can cut or even eliminate your housing costs and free up your money for more important things. Number 3. Food for almost free. The art of smart eating. Food is a basic need, but that doesn't mean it has to be expensive. People living on ultra-low budgets have mastered the art of eating well for almost nothing. It's not about starving. It's about buying smarter, cooking better, and finding free food sources. The $1 per meal strategy. Buy cheap, nutritious staples like rice, beans, oats, eggs, and frozen vegetables. Plan meals that use the same ingredients in different ways. For example, a bag of lentils can become soup, burgers, or salad toppings. Cook in bulk and freeze meals to save time and money. Grocery store hacks. Shop at discount stores, use coupons, and buy store-brand items. Find out when stores mark down produce, meat, and bakery items, usually in the evenings. Use cashback apps and food rescue apps like Too Good To Go to get cheap or free food. Getting food for free. Food pantries and community fridges provide free food to anyone in need. Gleaning, picking leftover crops. Some farms and orchards allow people to pick food for free after the main harvest. Dumpster diving, ethically and legally. Many grocery stores throw away perfectly good food. In essence, you can cut your food bill to almost nothing while still eating well. Number 4. Transportation tricks. Moving for pennies. Owning a car can be expensive. Gas, insurance, repairs, it all adds up. But people practicing extreme frugality have found ways to move around for almost nothing. The secret? Ditching the car and using creative alternatives. Living car-free. Many frugal people choose to live without a car and save thousands of dollars a year. How? Walking and biking, free, healthy, and better for the environment. Public transportation. A monthly bus pass is often cheaper than just one tank of gas. E-bikes and scooters, a one-time purchase that can replace car trips. Ride for free or almost free. Carpooling and ride-sharing. Apps like BlaBlaCar and Waze Carpool let people share rides for cheap. Hitchhiking safely. In some places, people still get free rides from kind drivers. Bartering for rides, offer gas money, a small service, or even groceries in exchange for a lift. Smart car ownership. If you must have a car, reduce the costs by buying a cheap, fuel-efficient, and reliable used car. Sharing a car with family or roommates. Signing up for car-sharing services like Zipcar or Turo instead of owning one. By thinking creatively, you can cut your transportation costs to almost zero and still get where you need to go. Number 5. Earning and hustling. Making money while staying frugal. Extreme frugality isn't just about saving money. It's also about earning money in smart, flexible ways. Many frugal people find ways to make just enough without working a traditional 9 to 5 job. Instead, they hustle creatively, work less, and enjoy life more. Micro-income streams, small jobs that add up. Instead of relying on one full-time job, frugal people create multiple small income sources such as flipping free or cheap items, finding things at garage sales, thrift stores, or online for free, then selling them for a profit. Freelancing, doing small online jobs like writing, graphic design, or tutoring. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork make this easy. Renting out what you own, lending out a spare room, tools, or even a car for extra cash. Passive income. Make money while doing nothing. Selling digital products like ebooks, printables, or courses. Creating a small blog or YouTube channel and earning ad money. Investing in dividend stocks or real estate. Even just renting a spare room. Bartering. Trading instead of buying. Trading services instead of spending money, e.g., fixing someone's car in exchange for free meals. Swapping clothes, tools, and furniture through community exchange groups. With smart earning strategies, you can make just enough to live well without needing a high salary. Number 6. Entertainment and social life. Having fun for free. Living on a small budget doesn't mean giving up fun. Many frugal people enjoy a rich social life without spending money. The trick? Finding free entertainment and creative ways to have fun. Free entertainment. Community events. Many cities offer free concerts, festivals, and outdoor movie nights. Public spaces, parks, libraries, and beaches are great for free activities like hiking, reading, and picnics. Volunteering. Join events as a volunteer and get free access to concerts, theater shows, and sports games. Socializing without spending. Game nights at home instead of going out. Potluck dinners instead of expensive restaurants. Swapping skills with friends. Teach each other new things for fun. Fun doesn't have to cost money. You just need to be creative. Number 7. The health factor. Staying fit and well without spending. Many people think that staying healthy is expensive. Gym memberships, organic food, and medical bills all seem costly. But frugal people stay fit and take care of their health for almost nothing. The secret? Prevention, smart habits, and free resources. Free ways to stay fit. Bodyweight exercises, push-ups, squats, and yoga can be done at home for free. Outdoor workouts. Walking, running, hiking, and cycling are great for fitness. Free fitness apps and YouTube workouts. No need for a gym membership. Eating healthy on a budget. Simple whole foods like beans, rice, eggs, and vegetables are cheap and nutritious. Cooking at home saves money and avoids unhealthy fast food. Growing your own food, even in small spaces, can provide free, fresh produce. Affordable healthcare strategies. Preventive health, staying active, eating well, and reducing stress lowers medical costs. Sliding scale clinics offer affordable doctor visits. Community health programs provide free checkups and screenings. Staying healthy doesn't have to be expensive. With smart habits, you can be fit and well for free. Extreme frugality isn't about suffering. It's about freedom. People who spend less don't feel poor. Instead, they feel rich in time, choices, and peace of mind. They are not trapped by debt or stress. They don't have to work long hours just to survive. Instead, they live simply, smartly, and happily on very little. True wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how well you use what you have. Frugal people find joy in simple things: nature, relationships, and creativity. They don't waste money on things they don't need. Instead, they invest in experiences, health, and happiness. Could you live well on $900 a month? Maybe it's not for everyone, but the lessons of extreme frugality can help anyone. Spend less, live more. That's the new definition of wealth. Now, the real question is, what could you do with more freedom in your life? Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.